Hello everyone, I welcome you on this YouTube channel Physics Classes Learn with Ease. Here in this video you will learn about the combinations of the capacitors. There are two different type of combinations. The first one is the series combination and second one is the parallel combination. So in both the combinations we will derive the expression of its equivalent capacitance. Okay, and we also note a particular thing in these two type of capacitor combinations. So watch the video till the end. So before starting this lecture, I would like to revise what is the capacitor. The capacitor is an electric component which is used to store electric charge, or we can say the electric energy. So electric energy or electric charge store करने का जो electric component है उसे हम क्या नाम देते हैं? That is called the capacitor. And capacitance is what? It is the property or ability which is measure that how much charge is stored by that capacitor. Okay, so capacitance is basically denoted by the letter C, and जो symbol we use for this capacitor is two parallel lines, okay, of equal length. Why we are using? Because it is the example of the parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor is the most widely used and a simplest capacitor. और उसका capacitance भी हमने derive किया था. The expression of that capacitance was C equals to epsilon naught A by D, where epsilon naught is permittivity of the vacuum between the plates of the capacitor, A was the area of the plate, and small d is separation between the both the plates. Okay, so now we are starting the combinations of the capacitor. Okay, so combinations में first combination आता है the capacitances or capacitors in series. So series combination is like this one. We are taking an example of three capacitors which is C1, C2, C3, having the capacitances C1, C2 and C3. What is the meaning of the series combination? Look, if this second plate of the first capacitor, there are two plates in a capacitor which is named parallel plate capacitor. This one is the first plate, which is the leftmost plate, and this one is the right plate, which is the rightmost plate. Okay, so I am saying that it is first plate and it is second plate. So if the second plate of first capacitor connected with the first plate of the second capacitor, and second plate of second capacitor connected with the first plate of third capacitor, then and so on. Suppose there are n capacitors which are connected in such combination or series combination, then the and so on, this type of combination is called series. We can also define the series combination as, suppose the battery is connected and positive terminal of battery is here. So we can say that this plate will be positive and second plate will be negative. Okay, first plate will be positive for each capacitors and second plate will be negative. So we can also say that what is the series combination? If the negative plate of first capacitor connected with the positive plate of second, then negative plate of second connected with positive plate of third, and so on. So such combination is called the series combination, and we are assuming that their equivalent of these three capacitors is having the capacitance CS. Okay, जो equivalent है उसके capacitance को हम यहाँ पर CS से denote कर रहे हैं. अब सबसे पहली बात, equivalent का meaning क्या होगा? Equivalent means कि if we provide same potential difference to the combination and to that equivalent, then the same charge must be stored by both the system. What does it mean? That suppose we are applying the potential difference V, or we say the battery V is connected to this combination, and same battery V or same potential difference V is connected to this combination as well. So what will happen if the same charge is stored by both the systems? Then this CS is named as combination or equivalent of the three given capacitors. ओके, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड द इक्विवेलेंट. इसको हम इक्विवेलेंट से डिफाइन करते हैं. और ये इक्विवेलेंट करता क्या है? ये उस पर्टिकुलर सर्किट जहां ये तीन या एन कैपेसिटर्स कनेक्टेड है उसको शॉर्टन या कॉम्पैक्ट करेगा. तो हमें उन तीनों को, या जो एन कैपेसिटर्स है, फॉर एग्जांपल इन जनरल अगर हम ले तो दिस alone can, or this single capacitor can replace all those capacitors which are connected in series. So that's why it is called the equivalent. Okay, it have the same value of the charge stored for the same potential difference applied. Okay, so we derive this expression of Cs in terms of this C1, C2 and C3. So first we discuss this, what is the written here, capacitors in series when second plate of first capacitor connected by first plate of second capacitor. ठीक है, जैसा मैंने अभी बताया यहाँ पे second plate of second connected with first plate of third, second plate of second, first plate of third and so on, then it is called the series combination. इस तरह के combination को हम नाम दे देते हैं series combination. Okay, then let three capacitors of capacitances C1, C2 and C3 are connected. There are three capacitors having the capacitances C1, C2 and C3 and they are connected in series as shown. Then their equivalent capacitance, also we are assuming that their equivalent capacitance is what? It is CS, and this CS is having the capacitance which is also connected with the battery B, and this combination is also connected with the battery B as shown in the figure. Okay, so remember, in case of this series combination, the charge on each capacitor will be same as that of charge on the equivalent. Okay, remember this point. In case of series combination, the charge on each capacitor will be same as that of charge on their equivalent, but the voltage on the individual capacitors will be different. Okay, voltage is different, charge is same. This is the in case of the series combination. So remember this point for the series combination. So next we are writing this, if V is voltage applied across series combination, अगर V हम कहें कि voltage है, then as well as their equivalent, वही V उनके equivalent पर भी हमने apply किया है, then the charge on each capacitor will be same. सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में मैंने अंडरलाइन भी किया है इन वर्ड्स को, इन सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन चार्ज ऑन ईच कैपेसिटर इज सेम बट द वोल्टेज ऑन इंडिविजुअल कैपेसिटर इज डिफरेंट. ओके, अलग अलग कैपेसिटर पर वोल्टेज की वैल्यू अलग अलग होगी, बट चार्ज देखो यहाँ डायग्राम में भी मैंने जो सेम है वो क्वांटिटी लिखी है एंड द चार्ज इज सेम but the voltage is different. Suppose this having voltage V1, this is having V2 and this is having V3. Why the voltage is different with the charge same? Because their capacitances are different. Okay, C1, C2, C3 अलग अलग वैल्यूज हैं, इसीलिए हम कहेंगे V1, V2, V3 अलग अलग होगा क्योंकि Q कांस्टेंट हो गया, Q इक्वल्स टू CV वाली इक्वेशन से. ओके, अगर हम Q को कांस्टेंट कर दें तो CV का प्रोडक्ट कांस्टेंट आएगा और C इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होगा V के. तो जिसका कैपेसिटेंस सबसे ज्यादा है उसका वोल्टेज सबसे कम होगा. ठीक है, तो इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल बिहेवियर होने के कारण, और वो कब? जब सीरीज में हमने कनेक्ट किया है. क्लियर? तो इन दिस सिचुएशन द वोल्टेज इज डिफरेंट एंड चार्ज इज सेम फॉर द सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन. सो लेट V1, V2, V3 आर वोल्टेजेस ऑन C1, C2, C3 रेस्पेक्टिवली. जो इन कैपेसिटर्स पर वोल्टेज है उनको हमने V1, V2, V3 कंसिडर किया. तो इन दैट सिचुएशन व्हाट विल हैपन? वी कैन राइट दिस V इज V1 प्लस V2 प्लस V3. Total applied voltage is equals to the sum of the voltages on individual components. Okay, this is also the energy conservation we can say. This is the property of energy conservation कि जितनी हमने एनर्जी अप्लाई की है टोटल सर्किट पर या उस कंपोनेंट्स पर जो एनर्जीज हैं उनके सम के इक्वल होती है. ओके, सो दिस इज द केस जहां पर हम इस तरह की इक्वेशन को यूज लेंगे कि वोल्टेजेस का सम इंडिविजुअल कैपेसिटर्स पर टोटल अप्लाइड वोल्टेज के इक्वल होगा. ओके, सो नाउ इन दिस केस फ्रॉम फिगर 1 वी कैन से फ्रॉम इक्वेशन Q इक्वल्स टू CV we will find V1, V2, V3 and V from this circuit V and V1, V2, V3 from this circuit. So what will happen? This V1 is Q by C1, V2 is Q by C2, V3 is Q by C3. Simple. And from figure B it is V equals to Q by CS. So now in this case the equation first will be substituting the value of V, V1, V2, V3. So what will we get? It is Q upon CS, that is equals to Q upon C1 plus Q upon C2 plus Q upon C3. the Q can be taken as common in the right hand side, and this Q and Q will be cancelled out on both the sides. So in this case the remaining equation will be 1 upon Cs equals to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. Okay, so this is the equivalent capacitance which is given by this equation. What we can say that the reciprocal of the equivalent capacitors is equals to the sum of the reciprocals of the individual capacitances. Okay, the statement from the series combination or equivalent of the series combination, we can write that the reciprocal of the equivalent capacitance in case of series combination is equals to the summation of the reciprocal of the individual capacitances. Okay, that means 1 upon Cs equals to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3 for 3 capacitors. Okay, or if we take LCM and then we reciprocal the whole equation for the 3 capacitors, then we get the Cs equals to C1 C2 C3. जो यहाँ पर रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे, इसका एलसीएम लेंगे तब जो आएगा, तो दैट इज C1 C2 C3, देन इट विल बी C1 C2, तो दो के पेयर बनेंगे C1 C2 प्लस C2 C3 प्लस C3 C1. So you directly remember this formula for the case of 3 capacitors connected in series having the capacitances C1 C2 C3. So what will be their equivalent? It is C1 C2 C3 upon C1 C2 plus C2 C3 plus C3 C1. Now suppose if there are 2 capacitors, then what will happen? It will gives you the Cs equals to C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. Simply ऊपर multiplication numerator में and in denominator we will add both the capacitances. So C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. Use direct this formula. Don't go with the 1 upon C1 1 upon C2 then take reciprocal and then again take the then take LCM and then again take the reciprocal. Okay, just put the formula for 2 capacitors C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2 and for 3 capacitors C1 C2 C3 divided by C1 C2 plus C2 C3 plus C3 C1. Okay, so now if we are taking n capacitors in a series, then what will happen? This summation will tends up to n terms. So the equivalent capacitance will be 1 upon Cs equals to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3 and so on plus 1 upon Cn, and we can write this whole series in the single term as sigma I equals to 1 to n 1 upon Ci. Okay, then for the 2 capacitances C1 C2 in series, we can write Cs equals to C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2. Now an important note for the series combination is that the note is here, in a series combination the equivalent capacitance is smaller, from which it is smaller than the smallest individual capacitances. Okay, means if we are having n capacitors having the different capacitances, then if we connect them in series, then what will be their equivalent? That equivalent will have the numeric value less than the individual smallest capacitor. Okay, means suppose we are taking 3 capacitors, 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad and 3 microfarad, then we can say that the equivalent of their series combination will be less than 1. जो n कैपेसिटर्स में से सबसे कम कैपेसिटेंस रखता है, उससे भी कम वैल्यू हमें उनके सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में इक्विवेलेंट की मिलती है. Okay, this is the meaning of this note. With the example of 1, 2 and 3 microfarad, then the equivalent will be less than 1 microfarad. You can find out using this particular formula. Okay, numerically. Clear? So, what is the note? In series, the equivalent capacitance is smaller than the smallest individual capacitances. Okay, so smallest individual capacitance जो है उससे भी कम वैल्यू हमें equivalent capacitance की मिलती है. So this is all about the series combination. So now next we are moving to the parallel combination, the second type of combination, which is called the parallel combination. Okay, parallel combination is also can be defined as the first plate of each capacitor connected with a common point, and second plate of each capacitor is connected to any another common point. Okay, then such type of combination is called parallel combination. Look, in this particular diagram, we are again taking the example of three capacitors. Okay, so in these three capacitors having capacitances C1, C2 and C3, what will happen? The first plate of each C1, C2 and C3 or each capacitor is connected to common point which is named as R. Okay, R we are supposing that this is common point, and the second plate of each capacitor is connected to another common point which is named S. So R and S are different points, but this R is a common point for first plate of capacitor and S is the common point for the second plates of the capacitors. Okay, or we can also say the positive plate as first plates and the second plates as negative plate if the volt battery is applied in such way. Okay, that positive is in this direction and negative terminal is in right hand side direction. Clear? And also we take this equivalent of all these capacitances equals to Cp. Cp is the equivalent of all these three capacitances. So here also what will be the meaning of equivalent? If both the system of these capacitors, this system and this system, in which we have applied same potential difference or voltage through the battery, then the charge stored by both the system must be same. ओके अगर ये दोनों सिस्टम सेम चार्ज को सेम अप्लाइड वोल्टेज के लिए स्टोर करते हैं तो हम कहेंगे कि Cp जो है वो इन तीनों C1, C2, C3 का क्या है? इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटर है. Okay, so this is the meaning of the equivalent capacitor and we are supposing that Cp is the equivalent capacitor. Okay, but remember here one important point that in parallel combination all the capacitors will have same potential difference or voltage across its both plates. Okay, in parallel combination the voltage on individual or each capacitor is same but the charge will be different. Okay, same from the equation Q equals to CV. If we say that this V is constant for all the capacitors, then what will happen? For different C, the Q will be different. So here charge is different but the voltage will be same in case of the parallel combination. Okay, even in our houses all the electric components like bulb, tube light, refrigerator, fan, all these are connected in parallel combination. Okay, so we can use separate or different switches for different components. Okay, or different devices we can say. Clear? So each are operated at the same voltage, which is 220 volt AC for this home appliances, and this 220 volt is applied for even for the 15 watt bulb or for 1 ton we can say AC. Okay, for all these the power consumed by the component will be different, by the devices will be different, but the voltage on each of the component or device which we are using in daily life will be same because they are connected in parallel. Okay, so for this was just an example. Remember the point that in parallel combination the voltage remains constant. Okay, or voltage remains same for all the components. So here the voltage is V. देखो यहाँ पर जो सेम चीज है उसको मैंने V से डिनोट किया है, उसको लिखा है. जो डिफरेंट है उसको मैंने यहाँ मेंशन नहीं किया. And different here is will be charge. Clear? So suppose this is having charge Q1, this is charge Q2 and this is charge Q3. है ना? इन तीनों पर जो इंडिविजुअल चार्जेस हैं they are Q1, Q2, Q3 और इनका जो कॉम्बिनेशन है उस पर जो चार्ज होगा वो होगा सपोज Q. ओके, जो इक्विवेलेंट है इन कॉम्बिनेशन का. सपोज दैट कैपेसिटर हैव द चार्ज कैपिटल Q, देन हियर वी यूज द इक्वेशन ऑफ चार्ज कंजर्वेशन because we are applying same amount of voltage or same value of battery, voltage of the battery, so the charge stored by both the circuit will be same. And if the charge is same, then the charge Q will be divided or distributed among the three capacitors, okay, which is Q1, Q2, Q3. So what will be the charge conservation equation? Q equals to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. That will be the equation for conservation of the charge. So from that equation we will derive the expression of this Cp in terms of C1, C2 and C3. So we are reading first this written thing. When first plate of all capacitors are connected to a common point, first plate means we can say positive plate for this connection of the battery, and second plates of all capacitors are connected to another common point, then it is called parallel combination as shown in the figure. Okay, we can write. So let three capacitors of capacitances C1, C2, C3 are connected in parallel as shown, and their equivalent capacitance is Cp as shown in the figure B. This one is figure A and this one is figure B. So if V is voltage applied across parallel combination as well as their equivalent, यानी दोनों सर्किट में, दोनों सिस्टम में हमने सेम वोल्टेज को अप्लाई किया है विद द हेल्प ऑफ बैटरी. So what will happen? Then the voltage across all the capacitors will be same. So in parallel combination voltage will be same. Okay, जो अंडरलाइन की है उन पॉइंट्स को नोट करना. And then but the charge on them will be different. यानी इन सारे डिफरेंट C1, C2, C3 पर जो चार्ज की वैल्यू होगी वो क्या होगी? डिफरेंट होगी, और वोल्टेज जो होगा वो इस केसेस में सेम होगा. Clear? So in this situation, suppose that Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q are charges on C1, C2, C3 and Cp respectively. Means Q1 charge on C1, Q2 on C2, Q3 on C3 and Q on Cp. Okay, then we can write from charge conservation Q equals to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Okay, this is the equation of charge conservation. जो टोटल हमने चार्ज एक सिंगल इक्विवेलेंट पर डाला है वो अगर उसका इक्विवेलेंट है तीनों के पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन का, तो उन तीनों पर जो चार्जेस का सम है वो उस इक्विवेलेंट पर चार्ज के इक्वल होगा. Clear? So in this situation from figure A we can write simple from equation Q equals to Cv, Q1 is C1V, Q2 is C2V, Q3 is C3V, and from figure B, this one figure, we can write Q equals to CPV. So substitute these values of Q's in the equation 1. We can write C1 CPV equals to C1V plus C2V plus C3V. The V can be taken as common in the right hand side, and that V will cancel out with the V from the left side, and the final expression for the parallel combination of three capacitors will be C1 plus C2 plus C3 equals to C. So this is the equivalent of the parallel combination of three capacitances and having the simple addition, algebraic sum of all the individual capacitances. Okay, capacitances की वैल्यू कभी नेगेटिव नहीं होती. तुमने 10th क्लास में पढ़े, वहां भी तुमने सीरीज पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन डिस्कस किया था. ओके, उसके फॉर्मूला को अगर हम इन फॉर्मूला से कंपेयर करें तो ये फॉर्मूला इंटरचेंज हो जाते हैं. सीरीज में रेजिस्टर्स डायरेक्ट ऐड होते हैं, बट हियर द कैपेसिटर्स डायरेक्टली एडेड इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. पैरेलल रेजिस्टर कॉम्बिनेशन में रेसिप्रोकल्स को हम ऐड करते हैं, बट दिस रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ सीज आर एडेड इन केस ऑफ द सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन. So the condition in case of resistor and capacitor are exchanged for the series and parallel combination. Okay, so this is the case of the three capacitances. If again we are taking n capacitors, then this sum will be extended up to the n terms, C1, C2 and so on Cn. So for n capacitors connected in parallel, then Cp will be C1 plus C2 plus C3 and so on Cn, and we can write this as single term as sigma of I equals to 1 to n Ci. Clear? So here also the note will be what? In parallel the equivalent capacitance is the largest. जब हम इन सारे कैपेसिटर्स को ऐड करते हैं तो इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटेंस किससे ज्यादा होगा? जो उन इंडिविजुअल कैपेसिटेंसेस की वैल्यू है उसमें सबसे बड़ा जो कैपेसिटेंस है उससे भी हाई वैल्यू इक्विवेलेंट रखता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ वी अगेन टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ 1 माइक्रोफैरड, 2 माइक्रोफैरड एंड 3 माइक्रोफैरड, देन देयर इक्विवेलेंट विल बी मोर देन दिस 3 माइक्रोफैरड. In parallel, the equivalent, in series, the equivalent was less than 1 microfarad, but in parallel, the equivalent will be more than 3 microfarad for this simple example. Okay, so what we can write as note here, in parallel combination, we can say the equivalent capacitances is the largest than the largest individual capacitance. जो इंडिविजुअल कैपेसिटेंस में से जो सबसे लार्जेस्ट है उससे भी ज्यादा उसके इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटेंस की वैल्यू होती है। ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द सीरीज एंड पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन। एक बार वापस मैं इसको सम अप कर देता हूं। जो इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं, सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन जो कहलाता है सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन, दैट इज इफ द कैपेसिटेंसेस आर कनेक्टेड इन दिस वे। ओके, सेकेंड प्लेट from first plate to second, then second plate of second, first plate of third, and so on. Okay, equivalent can be found with the property that in series combination charge on each capacitor remains same as that of charge on their equivalent. Okay, so charge remains same but the voltage will be different, and from that we derive the equation 1 upon Cs equals to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3 for 3 capacitances. And we note a point that जो सबसे बड़ा इन तीनों कैपेसिटेंस में से जो सबसे छोटा इन तीनों कैपेसिटेंसेस में से कैपेसिटेंस है, उससे भी कम इस तीनों के सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन का इक्विवेलेंट होगा। ओके, एग्जाम्पल याद रखना, 1 2 3 सीरीज में है तो लेस देन 1 इक्विवेलेंट मिलेगा। Similarly, parallel combination में each left hand side plate connected to a common point and each right hand side plate connected to another common point. Then this is called the parallel combination. In parallel, voltage remains same, the charge is different. So charge conservation से हमने Cp जो फाइंड किया है, simply C1 plus C2 plus C3. और एक नोट यहाँ पर हमने लगाया कि जो सबसे लार्जेस्ट है इंडिविजुअल कैपेसिटेंस में, उससे भी ज्यादा वैल्यू उसके इक्विवेलेंट की मिलती है। Okay, so this is all about the today's video regarding the combinations of the capacitors, and in the next video we will solve some examples for the mixture of the series and parallel combination, okay, from the CBSE previous year papers. So thank you for watching this video and bye.